Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove unwanted object from photo using InShot application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to create new project. I'm going to select new and then I'm going to choose this photo. And for example guys, I'm going to remove this emoji from my photo. Let's say that this is the unwanted object. And I'm going to overlay this photo with the same photo. So I'm going to go to the PIP and then import this photo. And then guys, I'm going to apply mask. Wait, I'm going to go to the mask option and then I'm going to choose the circle mask. And we can take another part of this photo to cover the unwanted object. And I'm going to take this part and click on the check mark, and after that you're going to drag the mask to cover the unwanted object. Okay, done. And if you're still not satisfied with how it looks, you can apply filter or apply adjustment. You can make it more natural using the adjustment. You can adjust the contrast and the lightness, or it's up to you. Okay, and I think it's already natural, so I don't need to add filter or add adjustment. Okay, I think I just need to leave it like that, but maybe for the other photo you will need adjustment and you will need filter. And I know guys that this trick cannot be applied to all photos, all type of photos. You can only apply this trick or this method to this kind of photo. For the complex photo, maybe it will be more difficult than this, but at least here I show you the trick to remove unwanted object from your photo. And I hope in the future InShot can InShot can add feature that will let us remove unwanted object. It there is this feature, but I don't know whether it can works or not. Let's try it. Yeah, it can work guys, but of course it cannot work for all photos. So yeah, you will have two methods. The first one, you can manually remove the unwanted object with your with my trick, with my first method, and the second one you can use this remove feature. But for the advanced, you need to subscribe to InShot. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove unwanted object from InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.